Hi, it's Kathy Lee, and right now we're going to take a quick look at one of the Tula XII do-it-yourself card kits. First, I'm just going to show you what the card kit looks like. This is our gingerbread card kit for Christmas, and it has, let's see here if I can get just the goodies out. It comes with 9 cards like this, ready for you to decorate, and 9 envelopes. Then it also comes with these fun pieces of double-sided paper. And if you want, it's real simple. You can just take one of these pieces of paper and stick it to the front and add some embellishments, or the back side. I tore my papers up and give it a little more variety, but it is real simple. You can simply make a card by sticking one of these on the front and adding the embellishments. And all you need to assemble these is glue. It also comes with the nice sentiments, and it comes with these blank strips right here that you can stick the stickers on. And then here's all the embellishments. I'm not going to take these out of the pack because I'm going to show you them on one of the cards. All of the card kits are about the same. They include 9 cards, 9 envelopes, and then the goodies inside the embellishment pack vary. There is always a cardstock, a chipboard embellishment for each pack, but this one has bows and buttons and bling. Those goodies vary, and there's those strips we put the sentiments on. So let me show you a few cards I made with this kit, the gingerbread card kit, and these are available on the website, and they are, let's see, trying to remember, I think they're $14.95. In addition to holiday ones, we have ones with bees and cows and sunflowers, and we still have some Halloween ones left. Not a lot of those though. There are probably about 15 available. So this is this one. Okay, all I did here is I took some of that paper and I tore it, and I varied which ones I did. I put the sentiment sticker on one of these white strips and added a little bling. There's the chipboard there. This one, I did the same thing. I tore some cardstock, stuck it on there. I cut my little sentiment strips in half and cut the little page flag in half too. I did add a little washi that did not come in our kit. I added a little washi to this, and then in all of these, I added the little gingerbread sticker off the sentiment strips. So I'm just going through these real quick. Again, this one I used additional washi. The sentiment strip I just put directly on the card. I didn't put it on the little strip of white. And I did layer a little bit of the decorative paper behind my chipboard embellishment just to give it a little more depth. Here's another one. This one I used a little bow. One of the chipboard pieces. I did cut out a little wedge out of this to make it more of a flag. And I used a red pen and made some stitch lines on this. Again, just cut the paper, tore the paper in half. Simple. This one's almost exactly like that one. This one I added a little bling here. I put the sticker on the dark paper, and that worked out okay. Here's another one. This one I added just a strip of the paper to break the card. I added some of the bling. I would like to put some little bling, red bling on these buttons, but I didn't have it with me at the time. That would be extra. That doesn't come in the kit. Here's another one. And literally, guys, you can make these card kits. You can assemble one of these card kits. If you keep it simple, you can assemble one of these card kits probably in about 9 cards in a half hour. If you want to get more detail and add other stuff, it might take you a little longer, but they're meant to be fast and easy. So that's the gingerbread card kit for Christmas of 2022. I just want to show you what's in the Fa La La card kit real quick. Again, it comes with the envelopes and the cards and the stickers. And I don't want to take all those cards out because we don't need those. I just want to take out the stuff for you to see. All right, so this one comes with the 9 cards, the 9 envelopes. And here's the stickers 'tis the season, happy holidays, wishing you joy, Merry Christmas, and then those adorable little penguins. I'm a penguin lover. I actually have a penguin, decorative penguin collection, and those penguins are just adorable. And here's the different papers, the backs and the fronts. So like this is the back. And these have the red, but they have instead of the traditional green, they have that pretty teal. So those are all the papers. And then let me show you what's in this one for your embellishments, because the embellishments are so much fun. So let me show you what we have in here. Maybe. Oh, of course these aren't coming out quick and easy like I want them to. Tula XII has such awesome quality projects. Here's those little strips of paper that you can stick the stickers on, or use them for something else if you want. This one comes with red buttons, red bows, and red bling. And these are self-adhesive. These ones you would need a glue dot. I like a glue dot or a foam dot for gluing these on. And like I said, that's all you need for these card kits is adhesive. And then here's the embellishments with it. We've got the little polar bears. 3 of them sitting down. 3 of them sitting down faceward forward holding the little gift. And then we've got 3 of the adorable little penguins. And these are heavy. Oh, they're heavy pieces of chipboard. You can use one of these adhesive type runners. You can use glue. I tend to use glue. You can use foam dots. There's just pretty much any adhesive you have will work. I prefer not to use an Elmer's glue stick, but Elmer's glue sticks will work. They're just a little messy for me. So there's the embellishments for that one. And again, these kits are just $14.95. And I have one more Christmas one to show you. I'm putting these in here now so I don't have to put them away later. What are your plans for Thanksgiving? We are just going to have a low-key Thanksgiving at home. Maybe my sister will come out. My daughter and her boyfriend will come over too. My son will be working, and my other daughter and her boyfriend will probably not be able to come down. They live several hours away. So there's that. That is the Fa La La card kit. I love that. And then the last one I'm going to show you in this video is the reindeer card kit. And again, it says supplies to make 9 cards. So I'll just pull these out here again and we'll see what we have. We have, I love the font on this, Winter Wishes. Happy holidays, wishing you joy, very, very merry, merry and bright, Merry Christmas, peace and joy, love and joy, and let us know. And then the little stickers on here are these little tiny deer. Again, 9 cards, 9 envelopes. The background pieces on this are a pretty kind of woodsy green. That cable knit sweater looking. A knit sweater, a plaid. Fun little trees. I think we have another one in here I'm not showing you. 1, 2, 3, there we go. 9 pieces of paper, and again I would tear them up, cut them up, do whatever. I do have some pictures of some cards made combining the Fa La La kit and this woodsy kit, and I will post those at some point today too. And I have more pictures of the other stuff. And in this one, the embellishments are real simple. We have those strips. Looks like we have pretty little bows, pink bling, green buttons, and let me just pull these little embellishment pieces out, the chipboard embellishments out for you. We've got 3 little reindeer. Aren't those adorable? And again, they're nice thick chipboard. These could work if you wanted to just punch a hole in them. They would work as a freestanding. Ooh, that one didn't get cut out quite right. I've never had them not cut out all the way, but if you do, you can just take a scissor and trim them out a little bit. So those cute little reindeer, the bigger reindeer, aren't those adorable? And then the pretty trees. pretty non-traditional colors, pink and that foresty green. And enough to make 9 cards. So there's a look at our Christmas card kits for this year. And again, these card kits make 9 cards, and they are available on the website for just $14.95. And I would order them in case they get ready to sell out the nearer we get to Christmas. Right now, there is plenty of time to order the kits and get them, and you'd probably still have a couple weeks before Christmas to get them made. If you have any questions on our card kits, just please ask in the comments. And thank you, and have a good day.